Odisha may witness more spells of rain soon, as 3 consecutive low pressure systems are brewing over the Bay of Bengal. Meteorologist Sarath Sahu has predicted that while one system is already active, the second is expected around October 26, followed by a third near October 29. According to Sahu, the current system may not intensify much, but it could bring heavy rainfall to southern Odisha districts. The next system, likely to form between October 26 and 27, could be stronger and have a greater impact than the present one. However, the India Meteorological Department has not yet officially confirmed the possibility of these 3 back-to-back systems. Explaining the pattern, Sahu said that winds from the east and northeast are creating favorable conditions for multiple formations over the Bay of Bengal. During this seasonal transition, several systems are developing, though none are expected to intensify rapidly due to changing atmospheric dynamics. If the current system makes landfall around October 23 or 24, another could emerge shortly after around October 25 or 26 and may gradually strengthen. A third system might form over the east central Bay of Bengal by October 29 or 30, possibly coinciding with the landfall of the previous one. Under the influence of the ongoing system, moderate to heavy rainfall is expected across several parts of Odisha between October 24 and 26. Sahu added that as moist winds from the east and northeast continue to blow, the atmosphere remains cool and moisture-laden, setting the stage for isolated rains across the state.
जो सिस्टम ओडिशा उपकूल जो पवनटा आदर पूर्व दिगु उत्तर पूर्व बा पूर्व उत्तर दिगु आसि फेवरेबल रोच अधिकांश सिस्टम से दक्षिण भारत जो रोचे राज्य गुड़िक ता भर पशिबार संभावना रोचे किंतु ये जो ट्रांजिशन पीरियड रे जो नंबर ऑफ सिस्टम्स फॉर्म होची जाफरे कौन सी सिस्टम घनीभूत हो पारनी ये सिस्टमटा स्थलभाग जदि क्रॉस कर काली परदिन भितर आउटा जो सिस्टम फॉर्म हम से 25-26 आड़ तार घूर्णिबल सृष्टि हम से सिस्टम धीरे धीरे घनीभूत हम कारण ये सिस्टम दुर्बल हो जाए सिस्टम घनीभूत होबार संभावना रोचे जोटा 25-26 आड़ को फर्मेसन हम दक्षिण बंगोपसागर से घर से घनीभूत भी किसी मॉडल इंडिकेट भी करुँच फॉलो करा सिस्टम भी 29-30 आड़ को जोटा कि तेनेश्रीन कोस्ट जोटा कि एक्सट्रीमली दक्षिण पूर्व बंगोपसागर से फॉर्म हो थाईलैंड पटना आसबार संभावना रोचे से सिस्टम भी जनरेट किंतु से सिस्टम आसला बेलू ये सिस्टम भी कौन सी जगह लैंडफॉल कर संभावना रोचे से एक्जाक्टली फोरकास्ट एक्यूरेसी टी कम रही किंतु एबे जो सिस्टम जाइए वर्षार प्रभाव अल्परू मध्यम धरण रही